Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we are looking at a vintage, I think 1960s petrol lighter, branded National CHEMSEARCH, made in USA. The faux leather or reptile or barbed wire wrap. I'm really not sure what that is exactly. But a synthetic wrap of some kind. I looked National CHEMSEARCH up, and it looks like they were mainly a cleaning, janitorial, and sanitation solutions company. So while their name is on this and it says made in USA, I'm also certain that they didn't manufacture it, because the insert says Park Industries. Precision made. My eyes aren't very good. I can't see that. Okay, yes, it says precision made by Park Industries, Murfreesboro, Tennessee, USA. So you might have seen the video where we re-wicked this lighter and drilled the flint tube out on it, repacked it, overhauled the insert. This insert is aluminum, very light, as is the lighter. This lighter is in very good condition. So look at that now. Probably not barbed wire. Maybe some sort of thorn, vine, but the rest of it sort of looks like an oversized reptile skin or something. I am not certain what this fake wrap, faux wrap, whether it's supposed to be leather or exactly what that's supposed to be. But it's a nice looking lighter and it is in good condition still. The aluminum on the case that you can see there, that's not covered by the wrap, still appears to be in mostly good condition. It does have some scrapes, scuffs, dings, maybe a dent, I don't know, maybe not. rather than plating, I think the process used for aluminum is anodizing. It turns the silverish tone of the aluminum to have where you'll see gold tones, or you see it in all kinds of colors and tones. And I could be wrong, but I believe that is an anodizing process rather than plating. And no, I do not know the difference. But a nice lighter in good condition. I don't know the National CHEMSEARCH company when they were, I don't know if it might have been a promotional product that came with their cleaning product at some point in the 60s or 70s. I don't believe that Park moved to Murfreesboro until 1960 or there and about. So I think this is definitely 1960s or later. But it could have been a promotional product that came along with some of their cleaning products. It could have just been a complimentary, or it could have been something that they sold. I really don't know. It is branded National CHEMSEARCH on the case. So many of the lighters, the vintage lighters that we have examples of today, were acquired in different means as to how most folks get a lighter nowadays, which is buying it at the gas station when they buy their cigarettes or picking up their drink or whatever. Things just worked differently back then. Sometimes that's a good thing, and sometimes that's a bad thing. But we certainly don't have companies releasing or giving us these kind of products, new companies. We have those that have always been around, Zippo of course, but this kind of ingenuity and really kind of a regional product, as Park Industries was. They sure put out a lot of good vintage, well, they weren't vintage at the time, good cigarette lighters and other items that today fit in that vintage category. And I, for one, am very glad when I come along and find them, even if they look a little different. I think I'll be doing another video soon comparing this and some other Park Industries lighters, and maybe a few other similar ones that I have questions about. If you like old cigarette lighters, ashtrays, tobacconista, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you are watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Copy that link, send it off in a text, email, post it on social media. However it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. Leave any comments or questions below. We would also appreciate it if you would like and follow us across all the social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. Until next time.